अतः एतस्य परिसंवादस्य जॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेटर अपि सन्ति। तेषां माध्यमेन अनेक जनानाम् अत्र प्रवेशः अभवत्। डॉक्टर संवट महोदयाः संस्कृते अतीव प्रेम धारयन्ति। विविधेषु शास्त्रेषु तेषां गतिः अस्ति। अतः अद्य डॉक्टर संवट महोदयस्य सारगर्भकं मितं प्रवचनं श्रुत्वा वयं सर्वे आनन्दम् अनुभवामः। अनन्तरम् अधुना डॉक्टर संतोष सूर्यवंशी भारतस्य पुणे नगरतः अस्ति। अहं तस्य आह्वानं करोमि। वस्तुतः सः वैद्यः अस्ति, आयुर्वेदस्य विद्वान्। न केवलम् आयुर्वेदस्य विद्वान्, परन्तु सः स्वयम् आयुर्वेदस्य दिनचर्यां करोति, जीवनचर्यां करोति। सः आयुर्वेदं जीवति। सः आयुर्वेदानुसारं स्वकीयं जीवनम् अतिवाहयति। बहूनां रोगीणां सः उपचारं करोति। अतः अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे डॉक्टर सूर्यवंशी महोदयस्य प्रवचनं, तस्य अनुभवकथनम् अपि च तस्य मार्गदर्शनं वयं कामयामहे। अहं डॉक्टर संतोष सूर्यवंशी महोदयस्य आह्वानं करोमि, आमन्त्रणं करोमि। अस्माकं परिसंवादे स्वकीयं वक्तव्यम् अतीव संक्षिप्तरूपेण भवन्तः प्रतिपादयन्तु। डॉक्टर संतोष सूर्यवंशी।
नमस्ते नमस्ते वसुधैव कुटुंबकम. I'm going to present an Ayurveda in a different way, in the way of Indian philosophy. So I want to share my screen for presentation. Please go through the screen. Corona Kale Ayurveda is my today's subject. So, Ayurveda comes from Vedic time, and because of that, we need to know what Veda says through Ayurveda. Jivana. Jivana means nature. Nature. In nature, there is three types: origin, sustenance and dissolution. That is utpatti, sthiti and laya, which is Brahma generator, Vishnu operator and Mahesh destroyer, God, Tridev and Asur. 33 crores of God means 33 immense divine God. First thing is, we need to understand microbiology, scientific language of Ayurveda and Veda. That is, microbiology is Susukshma Jivadev, subtle bio supreme. Means G means Utpatti Koti, origin, imminence, is a Brahma Tattva. That is Brahma generator or Nirmiti, production, or Janma, birth. O means Sthiti, Sthiti Koti, यानी means sustenance, imminence, Vishnu Tattva. Vishnu means operator, Jivan, life, potion or nurturing or nourishing. And D means Susukshma Jiva Asur, subtle bio incorporeal, which is Laya Koti, dissolution, imminence, Mahesh Tattva. Mahesh destroyer, Anta, end, Mrityu, death, Rupantar, conversion, Vigatan, destruction, and Sanskrit Tattva, composting, again in same manner. This is our Bharatiya Shastra, means this is our discipline of India. Discipline of India always belonging to microsome to macrosome, Pindi te Brahmandi. In Ayurveda, that is Loka Purusha Siddhanta. Okay, that is that all these Siddhantas are Trikhalabadit, Shashvat, Satya, Vastava, Veda, Jnana, Darshana, Tattva, Shastra and science. Ayurveda means Ayu, Jnana, knowledge of life. Ayurveda is nothing but Upaveda, Subveda. It's a Sarva Darshan Shastra, means universal philosophy discipline. Naisargik Jivan Shaili Dharma, natural lifestyle manner. Swasthya Jnan, knowledge of health. Vyadhi Jnan, knowledge of illness. Prashama Jnan, knowledge of healing. Shatayus Jnan, knowledge of centenarian. Here is important thing is that knowledge of healing means prashamana, not only treatment, not only medicine, not only something else, but here is a complete treat the disease, illness, sickness, and that is converted into total health. Totality of health means it bodily, mindly, and spirituality. That is Sharira, Mana, Atma, along with Prasanna, Atma, Indriya, and Mana. Okay, that is the Ayurveda. This whole concept is nothing but Udva Vikasa, evolution. Evolution means a Jiva Janana, a Jivotpatti or a Jadotpatti or a Jadatvad, a biogenesis, Swayam Prerita, Swayam Utpatti, atogenesis. Susukshma Jiva Dev, subtle bio supreme, is a phalas, the useful thing. But Susukshma Jiva Asur means subtle bio incorporeal is a Videha, Ananga, Asurya, Angahina, Nasti Murti, Asharira, Nirakara, Asharirina, Akaya, Anida, Videha, Graha, Bhuta, Daitya, Pishacha, Rakshas, Krumi, Janta and Jantu. This is only by understanding microorganisms world man will survive. This is the Sukshma Jiva Srushti, microbes universe. Means it's a Jiva Srushti life, means it's a Jiva Jagat bios, or means it's a Jiva Lok world. Our body and our nature, living nature, occupy more than 60% of these livings. Microbes in our series more than 60% in our body and in universe. That is divided into two parts, Sukshmajiv microbes. It may be bacteria, it may be archaea, it may be fungi or protozoa or algae. And second is Ati Sukshmajiv microbes, that is viruses. Viruses are responsible to multiply on imbalanced organism. They multiply more than 280,000 within a day. They multiply their structure according to organism, that is 14 crores. They occupy 14 crore structures, means they taking avatar at 14 crores. Destruction of this life imminence means destruction of this equilibrium is the cause of Janapada Udvans, mankind destruction. This responsible to destruct micro world. This causes this is the causes of all types of rog sankraman, infection, sansarga sparsha, sarga, sansparsha sarga, contagion, and converted into स्थानिक natives to universal वैश्विक संक्रामक epidemic और सर्वव्यापी pandemic. नूतन मुकुट विषाणु सर्वव्यापी novel coronavirus pandemic is creating Mukut Vishanu Vyadhi, means coronavirus disease, COVID-19. This is a large family and group of virus that causes illness ranging from the common cold to more severe disease such as Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. A novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans. Is it right? Definitely not. It comes from long day. Only humans search today. Okay. Then what is the treatment of this coronavirus? It's a very simple, like other fever. You see, through Ayurveda we view, it's a prathamik jwar, primary fever, means it's a nava tarun jwar, new young fever. That is, if we treat, that is new young fever, we get naisargik rog pratibandha, means natural vaccination. Here you just fasting. First thing is very important, fasting. Then boil water. Then it's important vapor inhalation, bashpapan. Then hot cotton fermentation. Then gargles. Then smoke inhalation and warm covering. And some Satyavaman medicine is there. And in food, a filtered rice gruel, then thin rice gruel and thick rice gruel. And in soup, flesh broth in non-vegetarian and porridge in vegetarian. And Jivan Prar Urja Sattva Harichaya green tea. And also, if there is vrana in these conditions, you have to take poultice and und fermentation. That is it's a very simple. Langanam Pachanam Swedanam Kalo Vishranti Yavagva Tiktako Rasaha. It's a very simple to treat this coronavirus through Ayurveda. It's why it is. It's because of Nisarga Swachhata imbalance. Swasthya imbalanced with Nisarga Swachhata means Nisarga Swachhata is nothing but autophagy, Swayam Bhakshit, infectious particles by our body, autophagic, and degradation is a perbhakshit, genophagic, and because of that, our programmed cell death is depend on these autophagy and all autophagosomes. These all things are mool basal homeostasis in our body and excreted dirty material excreted through urine, stool, and sweat. If that homeostasis imbalanced, then there is a growth of any virus in the world. So only by understanding microorganisms man will survive. Then choice of herbs. What is the choice of herbs? First 7 days only, I said previously that fever act, and then after 8 to 14 दिन मध्य ज्वर कर्मन, 15 to 21 days chronic fever act. Then you have to manage misfortune act, means upadrava karman. Then failure act means vapad karman. Then arishta karman, fatal act. In ICUs, in casualties, we are going to manage it's very successfully through Ayurveda. And it's very simple medicines, that is herbs. Only herbs are needed in intensive care unit also. So need to develop our biome and prevent cytokine storm, Koshi Vikar Prakaman, hypoxia and organ failures. Krutavedin, grateful to everyone, organizers and all, they giving me a chance to represent my presentation. Thank you very much, and thank you very much. धन्यवाद.